Hello everybody. So welcome to Centers, and for this center, which is art, we are going to be drawing an underwater mural. So I have a blank piece of paper, I have some crayons and some markers to help paint or draw this underwater mural. And because we just read Dario and the whale, we're going to maybe incorporate some of the animals that we saw in the book. So, in my underwater mural, I think I want to make my water purple. And I'm just going to draw some squiggly lines to represent the water. Every ocean has water. The purple squiggly lines is the water in my underwater mural. Then I'm going to use my orange marker, and over the squiggly lines, I'm just going to draw some hills. Add some dots to my hills, just like that. Just draw some dots, and that is the sand or the beach, because Dario is at the beach. So now I have my sand, I have my water. What else do I need in this underwater mural? In Dario and the whale, you can draw a whale. So I'm gonna use my red marker, and you could try your very best to just draw a whale. So I'm gonna start with a big head and then get smaller. And then I'm gonna draw this little tail. I'm gonna make my whale smile because he's happy to be there. So this is my whale. What else can we add to the whale? Add its little blowhole. And I think I'm gonna use the purple again to represent the water coming out its blowhole. Now I think this is looking pretty good if you ask me. What else can we put in this underwater mural? I remember in the book, I saw a little seabird or a seagull on some of the pages. So I'm gonna draw that in the air on top of the sand in this area, which would represent the air. And I'm just gonna draw a little exaggerated V. And those are my seagulls and my seabirds. Now, there's two last things that I want to add. I think I'm going to go with my pink again and draw a little circle, a little stick figure of someone at the beach. Someone at the beach looking at the whale, like Dario and the whale. And last but not least, I'm gonna draw a little turtle so the whale has a friend. I'm gonna draw him in this black color, and I'm going to make the shell by drawing a little semicircle. I'm gonna add its head and then some feet Remember, yours don't have to look exactly like mine. You can add whatever you want to your underwater mural. But I think this is what mine's gonna look like. My little turtle, my whale, little person, my seabirds. Actually, I think I'm gonna add one more thing. And it's just gonna be some little fishes. And to draw my little fish, I'm gonna use the gray color. I'm going to make a circle, a long oval, and then a little triangle at the bottom. A long oval, little triangle at the bottom, like that. So a long oval, then a little triangle at the bottom. So this is my underwater mural. And I want to know what yours would look like. So you can try it yourself.
Hi Jumpstart friends! So I hope you had so much fun reading our book, Dario and the Whale, another time. I want you to take a few minutes, put on your thinking caps, and think what your favorite part of today's session was. You got to pretend to eat like a whale with Miss Rebecca. With me, Miss Sophia, we got to talk about where whales live. You got to make an underwater mural with Miss Noddy. And you got to read our story with Miss Daniela. So there's so many fun things that you might have said were your favorite. So I want you to think about it. And then once you have that, go ahead and tell a friend, a family member, or you can go ahead and tell me your favorite part of today's session. So once you picked your person, go ahead and let them know what your favorite part was. Okay, I'm sure whatever you picked is such a great part of today's session. I know I had fun during all of it. Next time, friends, we are not reading Dario and the Whale. We are reading Rabbits and Raindrops. So this is a brand new story about some rabbits and what happens when it starts to rain. So we're going to read that next time we're together. So until then, friends, I hope you have a good time, and I'm excited to read our next story with you.